If you are streaming not from your home, it's important for you to arrive early. For example, my scheduled live stream today will start at 8:30, but now it's 7:30. The reason for that is that because I'm bringing my laptop back home, I need to set up it again. I need to open the OBS, open the Zoom, and make sure everything is okay before the streaming starts. And because you already marked the position of your laptop, then it's just a matter of connecting the USB and also the internet. Another tip to prevent lagging during streaming is that you must make sure that you have enough space in your drive inside your laptop. For example, if you're opening the OBS, your Zoom in C drive for Windows, then make sure you have enough space there. It's a good idea to connect all the USB from this webcam, from this webcam, from this webcam, from this camcorder, from that webcam, especially this, the main webcam, to your computer itself, not on the extension hub. For example, here, let me show you. Okay, so this is my connection. So you can see this is our for audio. This is for our camcorder. This is for our main view, the top view. This is for our side view. This is for internet. The only camera that I attached to the extension hub is this. This is basically for our front camera because that's not really important. So if anything happen, I don't not really matter much lah, because what's more important is this: the top view, the side view, and the camcorder view. This from the ni lah, capture card. They go to capture card here, and then go to the camcorder. This for the HDMI. This is for projector. So I cannot attach here lah, because yeah, it's a good idea to attach here also. But yeah, it's working. It's okay. And this is my wireless mouse USB receiver. So that is basically my connection for the live streaming. So it's important for you to open up the Zoom, the OBS, everything early on before the live stream start. For example, now I already opened the OBS here. I already start recording. I already start the virtual camera, and on the side here is our Zoom webcam panel. So we create a new meeting, and then we test our speaker and also our microphone. Okay, normally for the speaker it's not a problem because you can hear if there is any problem. But for the microphone, it can be problematic. You need to make sure that you set it correctly to the Zoom. Okay, so test speaker first. Okay, and then yes, and yes. Now microphone. So you can see here microphone, this whatever this from Zoom webcam. So you can see here microphone, this whatever this from Zoom. Okay. So now we change the microphone. To the external. Testing. Okay, in order to check it correctly, you need to go far. Okay, now I'm quite far. So you can still hear me through there. Working. Okay. After you check the microphone, then you yes, and then join, and then you go share screen straight away. Go to advanced, and then find content from the second camera, and then share. Make it small. And now we already start the virtual camera. We switch the camera. Switch again. switch again. Oh, okay, so this is a camera feed from my laptop. So you see here, integrated camera. So switch again, and now you can see this whatever view from the OBS. So that's working good lah. After you're done, then you can transfer whatever on your laptop screen to the control panel in front on the projector. So this is my typical projector screen. You can see that I have OBS on the left and the zoom in the middle, and also maybe this message, the WhatsApp message here, so that you can share the link to your student. And also it's important, sometimes student cannot connect, so they will send you the message through the WhatsApp or whatever, so you can detect them. And then what to do now is just simply go to this, find the link, so find the meeting info and then copy the link, and then with that you are ready. You give that link to your student click it, and then you are live for streaming. Okay, so now I am ready to perform the live stream. So currently now you can see that my student here, it's important for you to check whether they can hear you or they can see you lagging or not. Okay, can you hear me? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you see me lagging?
Yes, sir.
Lagging or not? Okay,
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's important before you start the live stream. So now we continue with the actual live stream. So let's go. Okay, welcome everyone to the live stream. So this is live stream about the identification of unknown using TLC and MP melting point in combination. Okay, so we end our live stream today with a recitation of Tasbih Kafarah and Suratul As. So now I'm already done with my actual live stream. As you can see on the table now, it's quite a mess. What you can see now is actual my point of view during streaming. Basically now I'm done with my streaming. You can see they are flickering on the screen over there from the projector, maybe because of the frequency for this camera. But in reality, they are not flickering. So my eyes see nothing, it's static there. So it's good actually. And this is the way, the looks of my place during streaming. I have this what we call the table for doing my stuff, and I have to make sure that all the thing that I need to use must be near me. There are also trolley over there, and also there are some equipment here, Bunsen burner, the what we call this solvent, and also this side view, and this is my laptop. So the camera here will show the top view, and this camera side view, and this camcorder is basically for looking through this what we call this developing chamber, because this is glass, and if I using this webcam, normally I don't get the nice image lah. You cannot really see because there are maybe reflection or whatever, but using this you get like a very nice image lah. And also I can zoom using this thing, and also here you can see that I also have camera there. So this is a recording for me recording myself during the live stream. In fact, in front of me now during live stream, I put what we call the GoPro over there. So now I'm using it now, but actually there are GoPro over there, and that is front camera, that is projector. What else? I think that's it. So this is my mouse. So when I do the live streaming, I control here. So you can see there. You can see how far from here to go there. So I try to minimize my best to minimize. I try my best to minimize the movement to type anything. And normally during the live stream, I don't do anything there. I don't. I just occasionally type there in order to what we call to show some Google image or whatsoever. So that's the only time while I using that keyboard. But most of the time, my work is on this table. So you can see this is a table. So I have quite a space here, and just make sure this can capture everything lah. So yeah, it's quite a mess. So here, okay, here there are trolley. So for example, I put some of my what we call backup. So this is backup for glassware, backup, and this normally I put this not here, but I put during the streaming I put underneath here. Okay, so I put there, so it's easy for me to bring it up. And you can see now we have equipment there. The equipment that I have, this UV light, and this melting temperature apparatus, this Bunsen burner, and also yeah, so this is the thing lah for you to see. Yeah, and behind me there are backdrop, as I mentioned before. Behind me there are backdrop. There are backdrop for the side view. This actually I don't use it, just to show you during the what we call how to stream video. It's just for the sake of showing. But the main backdrop that I use is this, the side view, the what we call the front view, so that my background will be black. And yeah, this is the way how I set up the streaming in the lab. It's a good idea for you to take a picture for all of this, so that in the next time when you want to plan for a future live stream, you know what to expect. For example, how far I need to put this glassware, how far I need to put this chemical, and so on. About this series, this is part 2 of the series. In the part 3 of the series, I will talk about the making of part 1 and part 2, how to live stream, how I do the video, the scripting, and so on. So I see you there. Bye.